In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly enable camera access in Grok AI. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to turn on your camera within Grok, so you can capture and share images directly in your conversation without any hassle. First, open your Grok account and make sure you're signed in. You can use your preferred browser or the app if it's available to you. Give the page a moment to load so the chat interface and all its features are fully ready. Next, look for the attach file icon in the chat area. This is usually found near the message box and often looks like a paperclip or a plus symbol. Clicking this icon opens up your options for adding content to your chat. It's the same place you'd go if you wanted to upload a file from your device, but today we're going to use it to turn on the camera. From the menu that appears, select Camera. This tells Grok you want to use your device's camera to capture something in real time. In many cases, you'll see a small preview window appear, which is a good sign that everything is working. If you're on a desktop, make sure your webcam is connected and not being used by another app. On mobile, ensure the back or front camera is available, depending on what you plan to capture. Now, click Enable Camera. At this point, your browser or device will likely show a permission prompt asking whether Grok can access the camera. Choose Only this time if you want to allow access just for this session. This is a great option for privacy because it gives you control every time you return. If you change your mind later, you can always enable it again the same way. After confirming, you should see a live camera preview inside Grok. From here, you can line up your shot, check your lighting, and make sure everything you want to share is clearly in frame. A quick tip on privacy and clarity. Remove anything sensitive from view before you capture, and try to use a well-lit space so Grok can interpret your image accurately. If the preview doesn't appear right away, wait a moment for the camera to initialize. Sometimes it takes a second for the permission to take effect. That's it. Open your Grok account, click the attach file icon, select Camera, and enable it with Only this time. You're now ready to use your camera directly in Grok. Thanks for watching and enjoy capturing and sharing with confidence.